this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services in South Beloit. Today we did a gutter cleaning. We had a lot of weeping willow leaves and sticks inside the gutter, and there was a lot of shingle debris and aggregate inside the gutter. So we ended up power flushing everything out of the gutter, rinsing everything really good. A couple of suggestions. We're going to want to figure out something to protect the downspouts. All the downspouts were clogged, so I had to flush all those out, and that can get expensive if they start to get to your underground drains. All of your outside miters or all of your caulked seams are leaking, so all your miters need to be. And if you take a look at the photos I sent you during the cleaning, your shingles have seen better days, and it's time for some maintenance. So if you don't do anything, you're going to be probably looking at replacing your roof in the next few years. But there is a way that you can condition and rehydrate your older dried out shingled roof, and it's a process with an all-natural bio oil, so it's super cool. Your roof getting eaten away by the sun, really drying out your shingles. So a roof conditioning treatment from RoofMax is suggested. A gutter tune-up is suggested, and you also, if you look at the photos right about here on your ridge, you have some missing shingles, so you're going to have water coming in. So you need immediate maintenance and roof conditioning treatment when you're ready. It's about 20% of the cost of what it would be to replace your roof. So it's super cool because let's say it takes $1,500 to $2,000 to replace the gutters on your home. We can do a tune-up for a fraction of that cost. Let's say it takes $8,000 to $12,000 to replace your roof, depending on the shingle contractor or manufacturer that you use. We can do that for 20% of the cost of what it would take. So between $2,000 and $3,000, we can get this roof tuned up, the shingles repaired, cleaned, and conditioned. So look forward to working with you. Any questions you have about our service, or if you'd like to book a low-pressure detergent-based cleaning on your siding, get a hold of us at 815-520-6020. Take care.